Hey YouTubers, my name is Jonah, and today I'm going to install a new LED ceiling light in my washroom. Let's take a look at my old ceiling light right now. I've been wanting to change this for a long time. As you can see, it's just a simple fluorescent bulb. So let's get started. First thing I do is we turn off the light switch. Then for added safety, we tape up the switch. So safety first, we have to turn off our main breaker. If you know which of the smaller breaker the light switch belongs to, that's okay. But your safest bet, and I mean your safest bet, is turn off the main breaker right here. And I always caution on safety first. Now let's unscrew our light bulb. Then take off our light fixture. Looks like we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to undo those two bolts. Now let's take a look which ones are black wire and which ones are white wire. It looks like it's been accidentally painted over. But when I start scratching the surface, I notice the black wire and the white wire. And taking a look way up here, I notice them again, the white wire and the black wire. Now I look for my ground wire. And here it is. Now with my flathead screwdriver, I undo the black and white wires. Here's my white wire and my black wire. Now let's take a look at my new light fixture. I picked this up at Lowe's a few weeks ago on sale. 11-inch diameter, 4000K cool white light. Sylvania LED flush mount. 15 watts with 1000 lumens. 45-year life. Well, I don't know about that. And it's also dimmable. I like that feature. No bulb to change. Uniform glare-free illumination, instant on, and energy saving. And it's only 3 inches thick. I like that too. Now let's see what we have inside. So inside our package contents, we have a hex nut, threaded rod, mounting bracket, nut mounting, wire nuts, and our screws. Now we have our wires. We have our white wire right here, our black wire right here, and our green and yellow wire, which is our ground. And on the other side is our shade cover, and it's got a nice finish. And we open it up by twisting opposite directions, like so. I think I have to start working out again. And on the inside, it looks like we have 21 LED cells, which gives us the 1000 lumens. So the first thing we do is we take the threaded rod and put it through the mounting bracket. And then we take our hex nut and tighten it. I measure about 3/4 of an inch from the hex nut to the end. Then I separate my wires and install my mounting brackets. Notice the position of the hex nut. It's on top of the mounting bracket. I unscrew the old screws and use the new ones. Then I install the mounting brackets with my new screws. Give a little tug just to make sure it's tight. I'm going to tuck the wires away for a couple minutes so I can do a tri-fit. So the reason why I do this is because you might have to make an adjustment with a threaded rod. I don't want to have to do all the wiring, then all of a sudden it doesn't fit properly. Either the threaded rod may be too long or too short. Now I check if the nut mounting is in a perfect position. Well, looks good, nice and tight. Now I'll undo it and start my wiring. Oops, butterfingers. Now I straighten my white wire and then I straighten my black wire. Now I pull out my ground wire and get ready to connect them together. So my ground wire for my light fixture is a little short, so I'm going to make it a little bit longer. There we go, much better. Now I take the two ground wires together and connect them with my wire nut connector. Always remember, ground wire connects to ground wire. I twist the wires like a pretzel. Then install my wire nut connector. Also remember, white wire connects with white wire. Then I take my two white wires, twist them together like a pretzel, then install the wire nut connector. Again, remember, black wire connects to black wire. And I take the two black wires, twist them like a pretzel, and install my nut wire connector. Then we tuck all the wires away behind the mounting bracket and install our light fixture. Then install our nut mounting. And we're almost done. We line up the 3 tabs with the inside cover. And twist right to tighten. And we are done. Now, let's turn the main breaker back on. Then take off our tape and switch our light back on. And there you go. Another success. So if you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also, press that notification button so you always get my latest videos.